How to find max number in an array in JavaScript. First, we'll need an array, so let R equals an array with 1, 5, 3, 2, and 4. For our first method, we'll use a classic algorithm. For starters, let max R sub 0. We set the max to start off as the first value. Next, we'll loop through the array for const num of R. This loops through every item in R. If the current num is greater than max, then we'll change the max. So, if num greater than max, max equals num. Outside the loop, if we console.log max and run the code, then you'll see that the max value is 5. For our next method, we'll use a built-in function. We'll just do max equals Math.max of spread operator R. This uses the max function and passes every element in R as arguments to the max function, then returns the max value. If we run this code, we'll see that the max is 5. Last, what if this whole array was a dumb-looking 2D array? We could do let flat R equals R.flat. Then, use flat R in any of the two methods we just showed. This has been Jakuification. Like and subscribe to learn more.